Ready to elevate your sales career and life? Today I'm going to show you how to hack your habits for a mood and career boost. Grab paper, or I prefer Excel, for this transformative self-inventory. Create a wide column titled My Activities on the left and three narrow ones on the right. Detail your entire day from hitting snooze to handling cash. The more you want to improve your life, the more meticulously detailed you'll be. Include work habits, unpacking collections, handling different clients, restocking, processing returns. Rate each habit from -5, totally draining, to +5, recharging. Jamming to playlist, +5. Managing complaints, maybe -3. Take a few days to create the self-inventory. You might discover new things to adapt. This list is a gold mine. It's already 50% of creating a system that will reshape your life. In the next video, I'm going to share how to use it to get instant improvements in life and work.